Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening your diagram and saving a version so changes are reversible. Once done, choose the connector tool from the Home ribbon or press Ctrl +3 to activate it. You want to pick the correct connector style: straight for simple links, curved for readability, or right angle for flowcharts, because the style affects routing later. Make sure snapping and glue are enabled in View so connectors lock to connection points automatically. This prevents drifting when you move shapes. You click a connection point on the source shape and drag to the destination connection point. Release to glue the connector so it stays attached. Once you have multiple connectors, change routing to dynamic, straight, or right angle via page setup so lines avoid overlaps and follow your layout rules. You can fine-tune appearance, line weight, color, and arrowheads in the Shape Format pane. This improves clarity. If segments cross, use the routing options to reroute or add bends manually for cleaner paths. You finalize by grouping related shapes and connectors so the layout holds when you move things. This prevents accidental disconnection. Once grouped, use auto-align and space to tidy spacing and ensure consistent connector routing across the diagram. If a connector detaches, first verify glue and snapping are enabled, then reconnect to the correct connection points. If the problem persists, select the connector and redraw just the problematic segment or restart Visio to clear
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.